Greetings and welcome. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for video sessions. This is a video session on surface emission properties. In this session, you will be able to explain surface emission properties. Surface emission properties are the properties which are used to describe the quality of thermal radiation absorbed by the surface or emitted by the surface in a quantity. So here are some properties that we are going to discuss. First is emissive power. Second is emissivity, then monochromatic emissive power, monochromatic emissivity and radiosity. Emissive power, it is the total amount of radiation emitted by a body per unit time per unit area. Mathematically it is written as E is equal to Q by AT. So E is a emissive power, Q is a heat or thermal energy in the form of radiation, heat transfer, A is a area in a meter square and T is a time. So unit of emissive power is watt per meter square. Emissivity, it is the ratio of emissive power of any body or surface to the emissive power of black body. Black body is a body which absorbs thermal radiation totally. So emissivity is mathematically written with a symbol epsilon is equal to E upon EB. E is the emissive power of any body, EB is the emissive power of black body. Monochromatic. Monochromatic means same color, mono means same and chromatic means color. This term is useful in next definition. So monochromatic is any light which is purely of a single color and of same wavelength. It is the rate of energy radiated per unit area of the surface per unit wavelength. So now we will see about monochromatic emissive power. It is the rate of energy radiated per unit area of the surface per unit wavelength. So it is given as EB. E is the emissive power and here we use this B for the monochromatic. So here it is equal to EB lambda into T lambda. Lambda is used for the wavelength. So its unit is watt per meter square. Now monochromatic emissivity, it is the ratio of the emitted radiation at a specific wavelength, means particular wavelength and at temperature, to the emitted radiation from a black body at the same wavelength and temperature. This is what comparison between the black body surface and non-black body surface. So monochromatic emissivity, we use Greek symbol epsilon and this is up for monochromatic, that's why here epsilon lambda, that is equal to E lambda divided by EB lambda. Radiosity, it is the total amount of energy emitted from a surface per unit time per unit surface area. So here in this diagram we use this diagram. This is what thermal radiation falling on the opaque surface. Thermal radiation we use here G. Opaque surface means the surface which cannot absorb thermal radiation which is falling on it totally. So some portion is reflected. So here as the radiation is falling, irradiation we say, that is amount of radiation heat falling on opaque surface. So by this, temperature of opaque surface is increasing, thus it emits some portion of irradiation that is called as reflected portion of irradiation, which is shown here with rho into G, and this is the amount of energy emitted from the surface, that is epsilon into EB. EB is emissive power and epsilon is emissivity. So radiosity is a total of this epsilon EB plus rho G. So emissive power E is equal to rho into EB, which is emitted by the opaque surface. Reflected portion is here given as 1 minus epsilon into G. Now this 1 minus epsilon we use for the rho. In a last slide we have taken rho into G. So rho here we take as a 1 minus epsilon. Epsilon value is given in the numerical. So radiosity as per the definition is the sum of emissive power and reflected portion of irradiation. Radiosity is indicated by letter J. So J is equal to epsilon EB plus 1 minus epsilon into G. Unit of this is watt per meter square, that is unit of radiosity. Watt per meter square means thermal radiation quantity per unit surface area. So at the end of this session you can explain surface emission properties. Subscribe the channel for the further video sessions. Thank you.